Hello and welcome to today's video on black holes and their mysterious properties. Black holes are one of the most intriguing objects in the universe, and have been the subject of intense study and speculation since they were first discovered. In this video, we will be exploring the properties of black holes, how they are formed, and what happens when you get too close to one. So what exactly is a black hole? At its most basic, a black hole is an object that has such a strong gravitational field that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. In other words, if you were to get too close to a black hole, the gravitational pull would be so strong that you would be pulled in and never be able to escape. The actual size of a black hole can vary greatly. There are three different types of black holes: stellar, intermediate, and supermassive. Stellar black holes are the smallest, with a mass of around 3 to 20 times that of the Sun. Intermediate black holes are larger, with a mass of around 100 to 100,000 times that of the Sun. Supermassive black holes are the largest, with a mass of millions or even billions of times that of the Sun. So how are black holes formed? There are a few different ways that a black hole can come into existence. One way is through the collapse of a massive star. When a star runs out of fuel, it can no longer produce the energy needed to counteract the force of gravity. As a result, the star begins to collapse inward. And if it is massive enough, it will continue to collapse until it becomes a black hole. Another way that black holes can form is through the collision of two or more stars. When two stars collide, the resulting explosion can produce a black hole. Now that we know what black holes are and how they are formed, let's take a closer look at their properties. One of the most intriguing properties of black holes is their event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return around a black hole. If you cross the event horizon, there is no turning back. The gravitational pull is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. Another interesting property of black holes is their singularity. The singularity is the point at the center of a black hole where the gravitational pull becomes infinite. The laws of physics as we know them break down at this point, and it is impossible to predict what would happen if you were to enter a singularity. Black holes also have a property known as spin. Just like a planet or a star can spin on its axis, a black hole can also spin. The spin of a black hole can have a significant impact on its properties, including the shape of its event horizon. So what happens if you were to get too close to a black hole? The answer is not pretty. As we mentioned earlier, the gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that it can pull in anything that gets too close. This process is known as spaghettification. As you get closer and closer to the black hole, the gravitational pull becomes stronger and stronger, until eventually you are stretched out into a long, thin shape like a piece of spaghetti. But what about objects that are not directly interacting with the black hole? Even objects that are not in the immediate vicinity of a black hole can feel its gravitational pull. This is because black holes warp the fabric of spacetime around them, causing objects to be pulled towards them, even if they are not directly in the black hole's path. Black holes have a significant impact on the universe around them. They play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies, and are thought to be responsible for some of the most energetic events in the universe. One way that black holes impact the universe is through their accretion disks. An accretion disk is a disk of gas and dust that surrounds a black hole. As material falls towards the black hole, it heats up and emits radiation. This radiation can be observed by astronomers, and can tell us a lot about the properties of the black hole. Black holes also have a significant impact on the stars around them. If a star gets too close to a black hole, it can be torn apart by the black hole's gravity. This process is known as tidal disruption. As the star is torn apart, some of the material falls towards the black hole, while the rest is ejected into space. This process can produce a bright flare of radiation that can be observed by astronomers. Black holes also have an impact on the evolution of galaxies. It is thought that supermassive black holes are present at the center of most galaxies. As material falls towards the black hole, it releases energy in the form of radiation and jets of particles. These jets can impact the surrounding gas and dust, and can even regulate the growth of the galaxy itself. Another way that black holes impact the universe is through gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime that are produced when massive objects, such as black holes, merge together. These waves can be detected by gravitational wave detectors such as LIGO and Virgo, and can tell us a lot about the properties of the black holes themselves. In conclusion, black holes are one of the most mysterious and intriguing objects in the universe. They have a significant impact on the universe around them, and are thought to play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. While much is still unknown about black holes, continued study and observation of these objects will undoubtedly yield new insights and discoveries in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video on black holes.